Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download HDO Box on Samsung Smart TV. Let's begin. So there are some really cool key features of the HDO Box application, and it says here that it has an amazing UI, then here unlimited content, then here no login or registration, and then here no lag. Now over here, you basically don't have to register or log into the HDO Box application, so which is really good and it saves time. So now we're going to get to the main points: download and install HDO Box APK for Smart TV. It says here first download HDO Box through its official website and transfer it to a USB drive. So if you want to download it, you're going to select this blue button which says HDO Box APK. Or alternatively, you can select this link over here to download it. Now it says plug in the USB drive in your Smart TV, open your Smart TV and search for the App Store. Download File Commander on your Smart TV. Then here, now launch File Commander, go to Media and then USB storage. Once the USB drive storage is open, toggle Download from Unknown Sources to on your Smart TV. So you're going to make sure that these two things are toggled. So File Commander is toggle on, then Verify Apps is also toggle on. Then here, now tap on the HDO Box APK file, you will find the installation to begin. Once the installation is done, go to the home page of your Smart TV. Navigate to the HDO Box application and start watching your favorite content now. And then if you want to look at the facts, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see something which says frequently asked questions. And then it says here, is it safe to use HDO Box application on my Smart TV? Yes, it is completely safe to use HDO Box application on your Smart TV. The application just allows you to stream unlimited HD content. Do I need to void my Smart TV to download HDO Box application? No, you do not have to void your Smart TV. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.